Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Mercy. Please make sure to subscribe if you've not already subscribed, and if you're returning, thank you so much for returning. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you what is inside my makeup bag. I'm going to be telling you and showing you all the things that I have, all the essentials that you need if you're just starting makeup, and most of the things I have are not even expensive. Most of the makeup products I have are not that expensive, they're affordable products. I'm going to be showing you everything I have, Sha. So let's dive right into it. So the bag is right here on my lap. So let me raise it up for you guys. This is the bag. I know it's a very big bag. It's actually not my makeup bag per se. I don't have an actual professional makeup bag. I just use whatever I have around me, and I found this bag and I just decided the bag is sturdy. It's like very good. It can carry a lot of things, and the bag is not actually full. It's like it still has more room for more things and stuff. But this is what the bag looks like. This is the front of the bag. Yeah, so let's see what we have here. I have a purse, an actual purse, a makeup purse, and this is what it looks like. I don't know if you can see it. This is what it looks like. So a purse is inside the bag, and that's what I first saw when I opened it. So let's see what's inside the purse. I'm going to be very fast because I have a lot of items, even though I'm not really using all of them. Well, I have a lot of items, so let me just be fast. So the first item I have here is this Kiss Beauty highlighter and contour palette. I actually don't use the highlighting side of it. I just use it for my contour. That's what it looks like. Yeah. And next I have my Squeezing and Shine Super Shiny Tasty Lip Gloss. So it's my lip gloss that I'm using right now. It's like has a pinkish kind of tint to it. So that's what I'm using. Next we have my eyeliner, and this is a set. So I think this is the mascara part and this is the eyeliner part. So it's mascara and eyeliner. Next I have this lip gloss. They are the Nicole matte liquid lipstick. It came as a set. I think I have the box here somewhere, but it came as a set. I don't know if you can see it. So it looks like. And for all the things I'm mentioning, I'm going to try to find the links to where I got them from. So I'm going to put them in the description box below. Next, I have this brown eyebrow pencil I got from my beauty supply store. I have these lashes that I got from I won as a giveaway. I won a giveaway from this brand, Ntbeautyline9ja. It's a Nigerian brand. I used their packaging paper stuff to wrap because it was removing and stuff, but it's still new. I've not used it before. I got two. This is the second one. I think that there are two different styles, I think, but this is the second one. Next I have a black eyebrow pencil. Let me try to see the name. Davis eyeliner and lip liner pencil, just normal regular pencil. Then I have mascara. It's the Max Volume Express mascara. Next I have my Elegant Pro Concealers, and I have this one in the shade Fawn as always, and then this one in color in number 4. I don't know what shade or what the name is, but it has number 4 here. So these are the two of them. I don't know the cover of this is. And I have more eyeliner, more pencils, and I have my eyelash glue. It's kind of rusty. I have a lipstick here. I do not know where I got this lipstick from, and it's very rusty. I don't know the name. Island Beauty in Icy Pink, I think. So that's all for this purse. Let's go to my foundation. So the foundation I'm using is actually mixed. I don't know if this actually is a good thing to do, but I mixed two foundations together because one is too dark and one is too light or bright. Or, yeah, one is too light and one is too dark. And this is the Flawless Ivy oil-free foundation in 100% waterproof matte foundation, and this is what it looks like. I can't remember how much I bought it, but I ordered it online from their store. It's in the shade 600 on. And the second foundation is Fair Up Makeup Full Coverage Cream Foundation, oil-free. So this is what it is. Let me open it up and see. I'm show you. That's what it looks like. And it's in the shade FA607. That's the shade I'm using. So like it's too dark for me. The Flawless Ivy is kind of, I think it's kind of my shade, but it's kind of a little bit too light, and so I mix these two. So why I'm not sure if this is right is because this is a cream foundation. It's a cream foundation, and that's a matte foundation. Yeah, that's a matte foundation. So I don't know if it's actually ideal to be mixing a matte and a cream foundation together. So anyone that has any advice for me, please tell me, like, is it actually correct or is this actually good? Next, I have my Kiss Beauty Pro Setting Spray and then my Kiss Beauty Studio Photogenic Primer. So like they came as a set. And the name of the primer is HD Studio Photogenic Primer Perfecting Shield Broad Spectrum SPF 30. And the primer is a high definition setting spray, long lasting matte finish. I can't remember how much I bought it. If I remember, or keep the link down below. The next thing is my Ushas Cosmetics Correct Powder Contour Palette. So it's a contour palette that I got from Ushas. Most of these things I got from Jumia, and some of them are there from their stores online. I got this one from Jumia. I can't remember the price. So it's a contour palette that I use, so that is for my contouring. And yeah, next is my eyeshadow palette, my Jaclyn X Morphe palette, and so I use. I don't know if it's the original, but I just know it works for me, and that's all I need to know. Okay, here's another eyeshadow palette that I also got from Flawless Ivy, the people that did the foundation, and it's a 60 color eyeshadow palette. So I have 60 colors in it, and it's very nice. It's very, very pigmented, and it's very nice as a mirror in it and everything. Next, I have my Sacha Buttercup setting powder. I set my makeup and all. And I have my Anastasia Beverly Hills matte lipstick set, and it's a set of, I think, 4 lipsticks. Let me see. It's a set of 4 lipsticks, and they all have different shades. There's the shade Soft Pink, Kiss, Spice, and Dead Roses. 4 sets, 4 lipsticks in it. I think I got this as a gift from one of my family members. I also have this my trusty brush set. It's Bobbi Brown makeup brush set. I think I don't set of 24 or so. No, not so. I think it's 24 brushes that are inside, so it expands and all. Then I have lashes, and then I also have another set of brushes that I got from Jumia. So they are like small. I think there are 12 brushes inside. They are small and very fluffy, very nice brushes, and they look in the pouch. Then finally, my beauty blender. It looks small now, but it like gets fluffy and big when I put water in it. Okay, I also have this Flawless Ivy eyeshadow primer that I got from Flawless Ivy also, and it's also very nice. It's white in color, and this right here is the ghetto. I made this. I saw this. I don't know how I found this video, how I got it, but it was like a DIY video now to like make a DIY brush cleaning thingy. So yeah, I just used a glue gun. If you want to know how to just check Google, but basically just use a glue gun to just draw something on a flat surface, on the flat hard surface, and that's what I used to clean my brushes. I know it looks ghetto, but that's what I use, and it's working for me. So yeah, that's all in my bag. The bag is totally empty now. That is basically everything I have in my makeup bag. I think that's all for this video. If there's anything that I did not mention or that you would like to see in this video, please make sure to comment it down below, and I'll make sure to make a video on that. Please make sure to subscribe if you've not already subscribed. Like this video if you enjoyed it. Even if you did not enjoy it, please like it. And yeah, that's all for today. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys.